Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be taking you through how you can make money daily by just investing in crypto on the ByBit platform. Now, it's just you investing and not trading. There are some people who only just want to invest in crypto with their money. They don't want to trade crypto. So if that is you, then this video is for you. But before I go into all of this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now to how you can make money daily by investing in cryptocurrencies on the ByBit platform. Now as you can see right here, I'm on the home page of the ByBit platform. And the first thing you want to do is to come right here to the menu bar at the top and click on finance right here. Now, once you come right here to where you have finance, then you come right here to where you have overview right here. So you can see under N, you come here to where you have overview and you click on it. Now, right here, this is where you can see all the ways you can earn by investing in cryptocurrencies on the ByBit platform. And I'll be explaining everything to you guys in this video. Now, the next thing is to scroll down to where you have all products right here. You can see where you have all products. So you come right here to where you have all products. And you can see all these cryptocurrencies right here. These are the cryptocurrencies you can invest in right here. You have a lot of cryptocurrencies. So you can see this is the first one. You click on 2, it will bring out more cryptocurrencies right here. And then if you click on 3 again, it will bring out more cryptocurrencies and so on. So let me go back to number 1 right here. So again, these are the cryptocurrencies you can invest in right here. Now let's start with Bitcoin right here. Now for Bitcoin, you can see the APR you can earn is 1.9% to 823.31%. Now APR means annual percentage return. That means the percentage you're going to be earning per year, not per day, not per month, not per week, but per year. So you can earn between 1% to 823%. Now you can see that the duration can be fixed or flexible. Now, what exactly will now determine the percentage you will earn, whether you earn between 1% or you earn up to 823%. Now, if you click on this drop-down arrow beside BTC, you will see that you have 4 different ways you can earn money by investing in Bitcoin right here. And also, if you click on the one beside USDT, you can see the next one right here is USDT, where you can earn between 3% to 823%. If you click here, you see that you have 5 different ways you can earn by investing in USDT. You see it for other cryptocurrencies right here. You can see for ETH right here. You click on the drop down arrow beside it, you'll be seeing the different ways you can earn right here. So I'm going to explain with BTC and I'm also going to explain with USDT, but it is the same process with every other cryptocurrency. So let me start with BTC. Now, for BTC, you click on this drop down arrow right here. And then you can see that the first way you can earn is through flexible savings. The second one is through fixed term. The third one is through dual asset. And the last one is through liquidity mining. Now, for this video, I'm only going to be explaining flexible savings and fixed term because those are the 2 ones that I know that will be easy for you. And these 2 are simple and straightforward. Now, for the flexible savings for BTC, you can see that the percentage you'll be earning is 6% APR. So you're going to be earning 6% annual percentage return. And you can see that the duration right here is flexible. Now, whenever you see that the duration is flexible, that means that you can withdraw your money anytime. That is the meaning. It means that you can withdraw your money anytime. Now, for the fixed term, you can earn between 1.9% to 33%. And the duration is between 7 to 60 days. This means that you can save your money between 7 days to 60 days. So whichever number of days you pick, you can withdraw your money until after that number of days. And then for dual assets, you can earn between 22% to 823%. And then for liquidity mining, you can earn 3% to 9.76%. Now let's start with the flexible savings. Now for flexible savings, let's say you're interested in the flexible savings. You come right here to where you have buy now and click on it. Now, as you can see right here again, it will tell you this is the coin you're investing in BTC. This is the APR, which is 6%. Duration is flexible. Again, I said flexible means that you can withdraw your money anytime. And then if you want to stake, you click on stake now. Now, before you stake or before you invest your money, you need to know that you must have BTC or that crypto you want to invest in. You must have that cryptocurrency in your funding wallet on ByBit. So make sure that before you start this, go to your funding wallet and make sure that you have that cryptocurrency in your funding wallet. So for example, I already have BTC in my funding wallet. So I'll just go straight and click on stake now right here. And right here, you're going to be entering some details. Now, the first thing you want to enter right here is the amount of BTC you want to invest. So let's say, for example, you want to invest all the BTC you have in your funding wallet. Just come right here and click on max right here. But let's, for example, you want to put in an amount of money you want to invest. Just come here and enter the amount of BTC you want to enter right here. So for example, I can enter 0.005. So this is the amount of BTC I want to invest right here. And the next option is to turn on this auto savings. It is optional. Now, if you turn on this auto savings, it means that whenever you have BTC in your funding wallet, ByBit will automatically help you invest that BTC in this flexible savings. That is the meaning. So I'm not going to turn this on. And if you don't want that, you can turn it off. And if you want it, you can turn it on right here. So let me put it off right here. And then right here, you see the APR you'll be earning, which is 6%. And then you can see your estimated daily yield. So this is the amount of money you're going to be earning daily. So you can see right here. So this is what I mean by you can earn money daily with this. So you'll be earning this amount of BTC every day with this. And don't forget, the amount of BTC you're going to be getting daily will depend on the amount of BTC you are investing. Take note of that. So that is for that. And then you can see the staking period is flexible, which means that you can withdraw your money anytime. So to show you the dates you are investing and to show you your yield distribution. So that means that you start getting your daily returns 24 hours after you start investing. So you need to take note of that. So after you've done all of that, you come here and tick this box to agree the terms and agreement. And then you come here and click on stake now. So you can see right here, successfully purchased. Please note that your yield will be calculated at 12 a.m. on the next day. So after you've done that, just exit it. And that is all you've started investing in the flexible savings. Now, let's, for example, you want the fixed term. So you can just come right here. You can see where you have fixed term right here. Just come right here to where you have fixed term. So you can see for fixed term, you are going to be earning 33%, which is higher than 6%. So just come right here and click on select. So you can see for this, you have for 30 days, you have for 60 days, and you have for 7 days. So whichever one you want, you just click on it. So let's, for example, I want to do for 60 days. I'll just come right here and click on stake now right here. So the next thing I want to do is come right here and enter the amount of BTC you want to invest for this. So you can see right here, the minimum is 0.01 BTC to 15 BTC. So let's, for example, I'll just put in the minimum, which is 0.01. And after you've done that, you can see your estimated APR is 2.3%. The estimated total yield is this. So this is the amount of BTC you'll be earning after 60 days. Remember, you are investing for 60 days. And then you can see the staking period is 60 days. So for this, you can't withdraw your money until after 60 days. So you need to take note of that. So you also see the stake dates and the redemption period. Redemption period is the date you can withdraw your money. So after you've checked all of that, just come right here again and click on I have read and agreed to agreement and click on stake now. And you can see right here, I understand that my investment will not be redeemable before the product matures. Confirm to stake. So you need to understand that you won't withdraw your money until after 60 days. So you click on stake now right here. I can see successfully purchased. Now, if you want to see your holdings, just come right here to where you have my holdings right here. So you can see right here, to see your holdings, you go to your wallet page on the app or on the website. You come here to where you have your N account on the wallet page. So you can see this for flexible. So you can see for the flexible one, this is it right here. You can see BTC flexible, and then you can see the amount staked, and then you can see the returns right here. And the next one is fixed term right here. This is the fixed term I just did for 60 days. You can see the total amount I staked, which is 0.01. And then you can monitor how much you are making right here. So that is for investing in BTC. Now let's go back to the other cryptocurrencies. Now the lesson I'll be using as example is USDT. Before I talk about USDT, I want to say something about the BTC I just did just now. Now you need to understand that whenever the price of BTC goes up, the value of your Bitcoin that you have invested and the returns will also go up in value, which means that more money and more returns for you. But if the value or the price of Bitcoin goes down, it means that the value of your Bitcoin that you have invested and your returns will also go down. So you need to take note of that. So for BTC, it can be in two ways. You can even earn more returns if the price goes up, and you can earn lower returns if the price of BTC goes down. But for USDT, it doesn't matter whether it goes up or down. You will earn exactly the percentage you see. So let's go ahead and use USDT. So for USDT, you can earn between 2.86% to 832%. So to see the different ways, you click on this drop down arrow right here. And I said for flexible savings, you can earn 13%. Don't forget, for flexible, you can withdraw your money anytime. And then for the fixed term, you have 100% that you can earn. And you can do that for 3 days, which means that you can withdraw your money after 3 days. Now, let's check out the flexible savings. So I'll click on buy now right here. And then you can see it right here to show you the crypto, which is USDT, the APR, which is 13%, the duration flexible, which means you can withdraw anytime. And then you click on stake now right here. And then the first thing you want to do is to enter the amount of USDT you want to invest. You can see the minimum here is 1 USDT to 500,000 USDT. So let's say, for example, you want to use 50 USDT. I'll just enter 50 USDT right there. Once you enter 50 USDT, the next thing is to click whether you want to put on this auto savings on or off. And then don't forget, I said that auto savings means that whenever you have USDT in your funding wallet, ByBit will automatically help you invest that USDT in this flexible savings. So if you don't want that, just put it off. And then you see your APR is 13%. And right here, you see your estimated daily yield, which is 0.0178 USDT. That's the amount you'll be earning every day. Don't forget, the amount you are earning depends on how much you are investing. So you want to earn more, you invest more. And also, you start seeing your daily returns 24 hours after you start investing. And then once you've done that, you come right here and click on I have read and agreed to agreement for ByBit savings. And you click on stake now. Now, I don't want to invest in USDC, so I'm not going to click on stake now. I'm only doing for BTC, but I'm only showing you how to do that. So you just come right here and click on stake now right here. But let's, for example, you prefer the fixed one where you don't want to withdraw your money until after a number of days. Just come right here to where you have this fixed term right here. And I see your APR is 100%. You're going to be earning 100% APR. Just click on select right here. And I can see you have between 30 days, 60 days, 7 days, and 3 days. So you can see that for these 30 days sold out, 60 days sold out, 7 days sold out. So you have only for 3 days. So you come right here and click on stake now. And just enter the amount of money you want to invest. And after 3 days, you'll be able to withdraw your money back to your wallet. So that is the simple way it works. Now again, if you want to monitor how much you are making or how much your money is growing, you go to your wallet page. To go to your wallet page, you come right here to where you have this, and then you can see where you have assets. Just click on it, and then just come right here to where you have earn. So you can see this. You see it on your wallet page, whether you are using your app or you are using the website. Just come right here and click on earn right here. So I just want to show you again so you can see it. So you can see this is the flexible for BTC I did. And for fixed term, this is for the BTC I did. So if it's that you're doing for BTC, USDT, ETH, you see everything right here. So you can see I only did for BTC. That's why it's only showing me for BTC. So right here, I can actually monitor how my money is moving up, how my money is moving down. I can see that right here. Don't forget, I said again that for BTC, if the price of BTC goes up, the value of your returns and the value of your investment will also go up. But if the price of BTC goes down, the value of your returns and the value of your investment will also go down. So you can see that is in 2 ways. So if you want to take that risk, you can invest in BTC. But if you just want to get the exact amount of money you will earn, just invest in USDT. So it depends on you. But for me, I prefer BTC. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to make any video about ByBit, let me also know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies to make money, you can register for my crypto trading course. The link to register will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.